How do you pick the right online therapy program to rehab your total hip or total knee replacement? When you're evaluating different programs, there's a few key features you want to consider to make sure the program is right for you. Now, based on the research, we already know that telehealth is an equally effective option for rehabbing your total hip or knee replacement after surgery when compared to in-person visits at a therapy clinic. Telehealth even has some advantages over a clinic setting, such as more flexibility with your schedule, better consistency with your exercises, and more time efficient since you're not driving to a clinic, just to name a few. Now, since telehealth continues to get more popular, there's more and more options out there. But how can you tell the difference between all of these different options? Because you want to make sure you're picking the program that gives you the best opportunity for a successful outcome. Online programs have a wide range in price and features, but here's one of the main things I would look at. Read the disclaimers in the programs you're considering. It may say something like, these exercises are for educational purposes only, or consult a healthcare professional before doing any of these exercises. If it says any of those types of things, you're probably not going to get the proper supervision and guidance, and without that, you can significantly decrease your opportunity for success. With us at Total Joint PT, we are your healthcare professional that you consult with. We'll be personalizing your program, making modifications as needed, tracking your progress, giving you feedback, communicating with your surgeon to make sure your plan of care fits within their preferred protocol, sending updates to your surgeon regarding your progress, and voicing any concerns so we can prevent minor issues from becoming major issues. You just won't get that with these other services. You may get a list of exercises, but then you're on your own. Personally, as a physical therapist specializing in rehab for total hip and knee replacements, I've worked with thousands of people after surgery, and I've seen firsthand the fantastic results people get with online telehealth programs if they're well supervised and guided by a physical therapist. Getting your hip or knee replaced is a big deal. It can have a major positive impact on your lifestyle, but you have to rehab it properly after surgery. So make sure you're choosing a program that gives you the best opportunity for success. Check out our Total Joint Jumpstart Rehab program. It is the complete rehab program for one low price. If you want someone to show you exactly what to do and when to do it, plus have the supervision and guidance of a specialized physical therapist to make sure you're on track to achieve your goals and communicate with your surgeon, then this program is perfect for you. You can even sign up before your surgery and take advantage of our helpful pre-surgery tips to prepare and make sure you're all set to go after surgery. If you'd like to know more about our program, leave a comment below the video, send me a message, or you can visit our website at totaljointpt.com.